Good evening everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about automation strategies. So main thing is why we can go for the automation strategy means because of how to improve the quality of the products, how to improve the production rate, and how to reduce the idle time of the machine. So for that purpose, this we are going to discuss about this all the strategies. So here the automation seems a feasible solution to improving the productivity, quality, and other measure of performances. Okay, so this following strategies gives the roadmap for to uh, uh, improving the process. Okay, so here the automatic strategy, we are going to follow some certain 10 strategies to improving the productivity. Okay, the main aim is to improving the productivity. Okay, so there are some 10 strategies we are going to discuss over here. That is the thing: specialization of operation, combined operation, simultaneous operation, integration of operation, increased flexibility, improved material handling and storage, online inspection, process control and optimization, plant operation control, and computer integrated manufacturing. Okay, so we're going to start one by one. Specialization of the operations. So this strategy involves the particular equipment going to designed for to perform the one operation with greatest possible efficiency. So it is going to manufacture only one type of product means, so those time it will be increases the production rate. So only one type of component means automatically that it has helpful to increase the those production rate. Okay, so and the labor will be specialized in the particular uh, um, machine or particular process. You will able to give an idea to how to improve the productivity and reduce the non-operation times and other things. Okay, so mainly, and also he is going to give new idea to creating about the product. So that is the function of the specialist, sorry, strategy of the specialization of operations. So if it's going to produce the only one component means it are more uh, uh, efficient way we can perform the particular work. Then comes into the second strategy, that is the combined operations. So in the combined operations, the normally the production, it will occur the sequence of operations. Okay, so if we take down any of the component, we could not able to complete in the single operation. Okay, might be at least minimum two operations are required. Suppose if we take down some of the complex part, it require more dozens of operations to complete the or to make the component. Okay, so in this time, so some 2 3 operations we can going to do the combine in the one workstation. So normally it is easy to uh, create the operation and also to reduce the non-operation time and tool handling time as well as non-operation time. This and all we can minimize over here. And also if you given the uh, clear uh, if you provide the clear routing, so normally the process it will be done in the faster rate. That is the combined operation. Okay, so that means whichever the operation we are going to carry out, all the machines will be going to connect with the routing. So almost it's going to uh, create the or make the uh, faster to the producing the compound. Okay, then comes into the simultaneous operation. So it is similar to the combined operation only. It is the extension of combined operation. Okay, it is going to perform the same time of operation that are combined at one workstation. So if in the single workstation, it's going to perform that two or three works. If you take down the some lathe machine, normally in the lathe machine, you're going to perform the turning operation, basing operation, as well as drilling operation. Okay, so like this, two or more operation will perform in the single workstation. Okay, so first going to do the turning operates and drilling, like the how much possible to perform in the single machine we can effectively utilize. Okay, that is simultaneous operation. So if two or more processing operation are be performed simultaneously on the same work part, thus reducing the total processing time. So here it is going to reduce the non-operating time, tool handling time, uh, and number of setup time, and operation time also, it will be reduced over using of this automation simultaneous strategy. Okay, then the next integration of operations. So the it will be linked several workstation into a single integrated mechanism. The automated work handling devices transfer parts between stations. So like if all the workstation is combined together, once the raw material is going to keep in the first machine, while coming into the last machine, it will become our last workstation. It come to a finished product. Okay, that is the thing they are saying here as a integration of operation. So here also normally it will be going to reduce the material handling time, tool handling time, non-operational time and all. It will be say on setup time and all. It will be reduced for in this integration of operation strategy. Okay, then comes into the next strategy, increased flexibility. So this strategy has attempts to achieve the maximum utilization of the equipment for job shop and medium volume situation by using the same equipment for variety of products. Suppose how much possibility to perform in the particular machine, so everything we can utilize it. Okay, if you want to use the some lathe machine, means in the help of the lathe machine, whatever operations you can able to do it, all those things in the single machine itself are going to make it. So that is the maximum utilization of the machine. Okay, so mainly it will be used for in the job shop production. So with the help of whatever components is available, maximum work we can going to perform. Okay, then this will be translated to lower manufacturing lead time into the lower work in process. Then comes into the next strategy is the improved material handling and storage. While using of automation system, the material handling, it will be very easier as well as reliable. Okay, suppose if manual handling make it causes some damages in the components, or mishandling the component, it creates the accident over here. That and all will minimize over the using of this automation strategy. Okay, and also it will help to utilize the storage equipment uh, effectively, efficiently. Okay, so with help of this strategy, reducing the non-operation time, manufacturing lead time, and working process. Okay, this is about the improved material handling and storage. This one. The next is the online inspection. So after performing the every operation, they are going to checking the component. This will be improves the, to provide the good quality of the component. Okay, so every stage, if the component not lies within the particular limit, directly we are going to reject the component. Okay, so this is about the online inspection. uh, so here quality of work is traditionally performed after the process. This means that any poor quality of the product has already been there, produced by the time it's inspected. Suppose if going to produce a single component, it required some 10 operations. Means after first operation is going to do the inspection. Suppose there it will not lies within the limit, there itself going to reject the component. That is called as that helpful to reduce the idle time of the machine as well as non-operation time and manufacturing lead time. Everything is going to be reduced overall. And next thing is the process control and optimization. So it will include the wide range of control schemes intended to operate the individual process and associated equipment will more efficiently. So it's going to control the process as well as the equipment will perform efficient. So for that purpose, it is used. So it will be reduce the operational time as well as uh, improve the quality control over here. Then plant operation and control. So in this strategy, it will control the individual manufacturing process. This control uh, at plant level. So it manages the coordinate the aggregate operation of a plant more efficiently. Its implementation usually involves high level of computer networking within the factory. So with the help of that, we reduce the non-operation time, manufacturing lead time, and increase the utilization of the machines. So that is about the plant operation control. Then we can come into the last thing, computer integrated manufacturing. So normally this strategy, the previous strategy, one step further, we have to integrate the factory operation with the engineering design and many of other business function of the PAM. So SIM involves extensive use of computer application, computer databases, the computer networking in the company. So using of computer integrated manufacturing, so all the department are going to integrate it with the single system. So with the help of that, we are going to know about where the production is going on, and as well as what is the availability of raw material, like all the data related to the production we are going to get with the help of this sim strategy. Okay, so this is about the 10 strategies of the automation system. Thank you.